don't touch my bag. Which is true, don't touch my bag. Hey guys, my name is Asia. Welcome back to my channel. So good to see you guys again. I'm so excited for this video today because I'm going to be showing you a Black-owned subscription box. And I actually know the owner. She's taught me a lot of things, so I just think it's so awesome that she's done this. She's such a pioneer in the beauty industry to me. So I'm super excited to be able to share this product with you guys. And I've seen so many people post on Instagram and they love it. So I'm sure you guys are going to love it. And I can't wait to open it because I'm sure I'm going to love it. And it's going to be the Female subscription. I'm super excited to share this with you guys today. This is a Black-owned subscription box for all my young ladies out there. Yeah, and I just can't wait to dig into it. I know it has a lot of great goodies in here. The box is super heavy, and I've been seeing people post it on Instagram, and I actually follow the page, so I kind of know what's already inside, and I can't wait to dig in it. So let's get to it. So first of all, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I had already opened it, of course, because I'm nosy. But the packaging is beautiful. I love this mailer, and everything is nice and secure. And everything is bubble wrapped. I'm a sucker for things that are bubble wrapped. I'm gonna try to make a TikTok later, so I'm gonna be nice with the packaging so I can, you know, try to repack it. But it comes with this little mailer inside. And inside the mailer, it's just saying, hey, oh, hey, girl. And here's the owner, Ashley. Hey, Ashley. Y'all, I really appreciate Ashley. She doesn't know how much she changed my life. Well, just gave me so many opportunities. But hey, Ashley. Okay, and it's just showing us what's inside. So far, we have the Don't Touch My Bag, which is the first thing you see. There's a necklace in here, some Cream of Nature, Edge Control, Leave-In, Urban Skin RX. I love them. I use it on my skin. Some hair growth vitamins. Let's see, some eyeshadow from Black Radiance. Ooh, a sticker and some lip gloss. And I love me some lip gloss. Ooh, and a headband. Okay, yeah, this is definitely over $100 worth of products. Like Urban Skin RX alone is like $30. So just imagine it, adding up all this stuff, this is definitely over $100 worth of products, and this only costs you $30 a month. So I didn't tell you guys. So it's a quarterly subscription, I believe. So yeah, so you guys, so this is not a monthly subscription. I think it's every quarter you get a new box. So like you'll probably get one in the spring, fall. This is a summer one, and then winter. So yeah. And yeah, I'm just looking at this. Sorry, y'all. I just keep looking at this mailer. Like, it's really nice. I love when companies take the time to actually work on projects before they push them out. And Ashley definitely took her time with this and the whole Familiar team. So yeah. And I hope I'm saying this right. I suck at pronouncing things, so let's pray I'm saying this right. So let's get into this. First is this Don't Touch My Bag pouch. And I love to travel, and I just love having stuff. So I'm loving this bag already, because I have a lot of stuff, so I need something to keep my stuff in. So I'm loving this, and it's made out of good quality, and it says don't touch my bag, which is true, don't touch my bag. So let's get into the actual bag. Urban Skin RX. So this is just the sample size, I believe. But I think the sample sizes still cost over like $10 alone. So this will be good to try. I used the orange bar, but I haven't tried this one. So I'm excited to give this a try. And this is an awesome brand for us women of color. So I can't wait to dig into that. Then the next thing that came out of my bag was the Pure Out of the Blue lip gloss. I have never heard of this brand. So this is awesome, so you can try out new brands that you might not be familiar with, or get, you know, try out products from brands that you're familiar with that you haven't been able to test the product. Oh, it lights up. I just noticed that. And it has a mirror. Okay, so let's try this out. Y'all, I'm getting into makeup lately, so I'm loving this right here because I'm just trying to figure out different brands. I'm going to try this on. Oh, this will be great when it's nighttime. It's the color for me. Okay, so yeah, I love this, y'all. But I'm getting into, like, you know, makeup, so I'm loving the opportunity to try new brands out that I might want to try. And I love this, and this is really good, like I said, for nighttime. If it's dark outside, you need to put some lip gloss on. It shows you exactly where your lips are. If you need to check your nose for crust, you know, your eyes for some crust, this is perfect, and it's discreet, and I love it. This is so cute. Next, we have the Shadavi, I think that's how you say it, hair, skin, and nail whole food vitamins. These vitamins are for hair, skin, nail, and whole food. They're hair, skin, and nail whole food vitamins. There are 7 capsules in this. Wait, no, serving size per contain. Okay, so you take 2 capsules. That's the serving size, and it suggests that you use 1 a day. But I'm guessing this is, you know, for, you know, natural and vegan hair supplements for your hair, skin, and nails. So I'm excited to give this a try. I don't normally take hair supplements because I'm always nervous about breakouts, but I think this is a perfect size for me to give it a try and see if I like it and how it would affect my hair and my skin. So, and this is, again, the Shadavi Hair, Skin, and Nails Whole Food Vitamins. Next, we have this Adama Wide Satin Line Headband. And if you know me, I love me a headband, y'all. So I'm excited for this. This will be great. My braids are so old, y'all. So this is a perfect headband for these. And I love to push my hair back, especially right now that it's hot, or in those days when my wash and goes get old. I love to push my hair in the back, push my hair up and put it in the back, or even when I work out. So I'm excited for this. And it's like a camo kind of print. So I can't wait to wear this. And also, it's satin. You know, as natural girls, or just us all in period, for healthy hair, satin is the way to go. So I'm excited about this. So next we have the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil, Perfect Edges, Extra Firm Hold. So I have not tried this kind, and I'm excited to give it a try because I've used Cream of Nature before, but I haven't used the Extra Firm Hold. So I want to see how this works. So this is an awesome opportunity to, like I said, to try brands that you might not have tried before, or a product that you've been like, I don't know if I want to buy it. And you can get it with this, and you can try it. And it says also it's a new and improved formula. So I got my hands on this with my familiar. Ooh, another. Oh, this is the Black Radiance Eye Appeal. And like I said, I am trying to learn makeup, so perfect. I don't have to spend a ton of money on trying out products for makeup because I got some in my familiar package. So I can't wait to try this. And it's like an eyeshadow lid. I want to open it, but I don't want to because also I'm trying to stay organized. But from this, the pigment looks great, you know. So then also there's like things that you don't things like products, because it's kind of, you know, trying out different products. If there's something in here that you might not like, you can gift it to a friend or let them borrow and try it. And if they like it, then they might end up getting the subscription box too. So I think it's just a really good way, like I said a million times, to really test out products, or get, you know, family and friends to test out products as well. So yeah, if there's just like this, for example, I haven't got to eyeshadow yet, but I'm thankful for it still, and I could play around with it. I didn't have to, you know, go out of my way and spend too much money on this. Because it came with this and the total price. So yeah. And again, this is the Black Radiance Eye Appeal Lid Gliss, and the color is Spotlight. Still have more in here. Okay, I'm too happy about this. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. So I love this line by Cream of Nature, and I think I just ran out to you actually. So yeah, I'm actually happy for this. But yeah, it smells so good. It's full size. You heard me, full size products. So yeah, I'm definitely digging into this. And for my natural girls, I say invest into this, because y'all know how hard it is to try to find products and spending money on, you know, a bunch of products that don't work. Great opportunity to start trying out products, you know, with the familiar subscription, so you don't have to go out and spend a whole bunch of money on products. You can get them right with here. You can get all the type of different products. So far we have hair products. So far I have makeup products. Then so far skincare. So like literally everything is in this, and it's like perfectly catered for, like, you know, the different seasons. Like it's hot outside, so all we need is some lip gloss. No heavy makeup. Got to keep those edges nice and tight for them buns because it's so hot. You know, another thing, because for the season, it's hot outside. So, and I love this product already, so I'm happy to have it again. I don't have to go out my way, especially with the coronavirus going on. It's at my house because it came in my female year subscription. So yeah. And I still have more in here. Okay, so I'm too happy about this because I love necklaces, especially gold necklaces, and it says blessed because I am blessed. So I am so happy about this. Like, I love necklaces, especially like dainty necklaces like this that I can layer. So this is probably my favorite product, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I can't wait to open this actually. Like, I'm really happy about this. So thank you. And it says blessed, like blessed is she who believes. So this is probably my favorite product. And the last thing that's in here is a black girls matter sticker. That's true. Black girls matter, black boys matter, black women matter, black lives matter. I feel like I left somebody off. Black girls, black boys, black men, black women, black lives matter. Period. So yeah, I'm happy about this. This is definitely going on my laptop or probably on I got a new phone, so maybe I'll put it back on my phone because it's really cute. And I got like a clear case. I'll show you guys. So, ooh, I think it will fit, or if I put it this way. But yeah, so I'm super excited about this, and it's just too cute. Like, it's so cute, and I love the colors. So that concludes everything that's in my familiar bag, y'all. And I get to keep this. I can't wait to see what's going to be in next month, especially with all this stuff. Like, and let me count how many products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products. But I think it's less, and this one's a special edition. But still, like, that's a lot. For $30, that was nothing. If you're a first timer, you can use my coupon code below to get 10% off your order. So that's awesome. And they're always running specials if you follow them on the IG page. And I'll link everything below. Link their website so you can get your familiar bag. Because you got to get your hands on this. I know it says don't touch. You got to get your own bag. Exactly. Because you can't touch my bag. You got to get your own bag. So make sure you guys check out the familiar. I'm going to link everything below. And thank you for watching. And I have some more stuff on the way. And make sure y'all are following me on Instagram because I am doing a giveaway today. I believe this video should be posted by Friday, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll leave all my links and socials below because I'm doing a giveaway because I will be hitting 5 years for my actual blog page, which you guys should check out below as well. Yeah, I'll be hitting 5 years next week, so yeah, make sure you guys follow, well, subscribe here, but follow me on social media, subscribe here on YouTube, tag and share with a friend, y'all. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.